In this tutorial, you will have the opportunity to view what's inside the Facebook Ads library. To access this page, just type in this URL. Now let's search a name. When you enter a name, it will give you a drop-down of similar results that contains the word entrepreneur in every Facebook page. By clicking the More Results by Page, it gives you more results. So let's try to choose one. You can see here that you can view basic information about this Facebook page, such as when it was created and in what countries or the people who manage such Facebook page are from. If you scroll down, you may see thumbnails of different ads that this Facebook has been running. Let's look for an older running ad. So let's analyze these number of ads here. You can see here the different headlines that they use, what copy they are using, if they make use of a video, an image, a carousel. You can also see the call to action buttons, and this link right here, which is a very useful tool for analyzing an ad copy. That link is ad details. On the upper part, you may also see the date when an ad was launched. It even shows that if it's active or not. In this case, it has a green circle indicating that it's an active ad. So this shows it's still active and running today. So let's choose an ad and click the See Ads detail. So you can see here the ad details. All the elements of an ad you can view here. This ad detail is a useful feature that allows you to see a Facebook running the ad and the details of that particular ad. These are the details: the headline, the call to action button, the link, the text, the business page, and the basic information about this page. If you want to see this Facebook page, you can right-click on this page right here, and here's the Facebook page. So let's search a political name. Scrolling down, we're looking for an old ad. Most of these are video ads. The ad details for this political name is different from the first one that we have searched. This shows you details such as the impression, the money spent, the demographics of the ad. This shows you how much the ads cost, which age bracket are mostly targeted, the place where this ad gets profits from, and we can view more information from the advertiser here. You can also view more ads from this page. As of the moment, you may only see more statistical data results from an ad if it's a political ad. For non-political ads, you may only see the ad itself. Let's see more example searches. Let's search for Nike. We can see here when the page was created and the primary country location for people who manage this page. This is an e-commerce page. Let's find an ad. Clicking this call to action button, Shop Now, directs us to their website where we can purchase their products. So they make use of videos and images as well. Let's search for an influencer named Anik Singhal. This public figure has a number of video ads, images with texts, and let's look for an old ad. Click the call to action button. Mostly he uses the action button, Learn More. This is the page where it directs us. This is his landing page where we can input our info. For him, this is his way of getting his leads and sending emails. Let's search another name. Let's search for Tony Robbins. Here are the list and thumbnails of ads that is run by the Facebook page of Tony Robbins. There are more videos here, looking for another old active ad. Okay, let's analyze this one ad. Let's click the See Ad Details. As you can see here, he's promoting this ad for ticket selling. Let's click the call to action button and see where it directs us. So this is his landing page with a compelling title, and it does have a timer. The number of days, hours, minutes, and seconds left before this event. So you can request for more info or download the program. Let's look for another name. Another entrepreneur named Locke. Okay, let's look for an old ad which is active. Looking at this ad here, the middle and in the right, These are using the same images. The text and the titles are different. So probably he's testing which of the two are profitable. Let's choose one and see the ad details. Let's click the call to action button. So this landing page right here, it says on the top part, free 4-day training series from Dan Locke. Many people love to have free stuff, so this is a good heading. And then the title, which is a how-to, which sparks a person's curiosity. And this is where you will enter your details. Another feature of Ads Library is filtering by country. By country means the country where the ad is running from. If we search again for Dan Locke, we can filter it from the ads that is run per country. We can search for Austria. This ads right here is the only ads that is running in the country of Austria. We can search active or inactive ads. All these ads are active. How about inactive ads? So there are no inactive ads in this country. If we filter by a particular country, Italy, we are given a result of these number of ads. So these are the only ads that are running in the country of Italy. You can search for active ads and inactive ads. So if you want to filter by country, you can use this drop-down menu. If you want to go to the Facebook page of these ads where it's running from, you can click the Facebook name right here, or you can mouse over and this pop-up will appear, and you can click the Facebook page there. Now you are seeing his Facebook page. So let's summarize. Having those examples, we may notice the differences of the ad copies, all the elements of an ad that each of the marketers use. As you click the call to action button, you are directed to their ads landing page, and the Facebook Ads Library allows you to monitor not only your competitor's ad copy, but you can check out their effective landing page as well, since it is an essential part of an effective sales funnel. You can take note of the strong points that your competitors use. You can model these ad copies, but remember, do not copy them. Analyzing these elements will help you enhance your Facebook ads and create a better performing ads that will give you better results.